The ST3 extension identifies a Sublime Text 3 session file storing workspace state including open files and cursor positions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover or manage your Sublime Text session data. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated ST3 file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. ST3 files are session state files created by Sublime Text 3 to preserve the current workspace, including open files, split views, cursor positions, scroll positions, and unsaved buffer content. They allow Sublime Text to restore your exact working state on restart. Sublime Text 3 session files are JSON-formatted data structures stored in the Sublime Text packages and sessions directories. They contain file path references, view states, fold regions, and buffer contents for unsaved files, enabling full workspace restoration. The ST3 format was designed to be handled by Sublime Text from Sublime HQ-PT Limited. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows displays basic content, yet proper editing depends on knowing the format. To resolve the application failure, right-click your ST3 file and choose Open With. Check for Sublime Text and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your ST3 file will not open yet, do not panic. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of 3 standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, restoring your session. If Sublime Text does not automatically restore your session on launch Navigate to Project, then quick switch Project to find and load your previous session file. Alternatively, locate the session file in the packages, then default directory and copy it to the sessions folder. Next, recovering unsaved work. If a crash occurred, open the ST3 session file in a text editor and look for the buffer contents fields which store unsaved file content. Copy the text from these fields to recover any work that was not saved before the crash occurred. Finally, managing session files. To prevent session file conflicts, use Sublime Text project feature to save named project files alongside your code. Navigate to project, then save project, as to create a named project that persists session state independently for different code bases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.